Oh guys, it's me, Redbird. You probably haven't seen me in a while. Probably never seen me ever. Laserbird is doing alright. Anyways, let's go in the bathroom with Kevin. He's not gonna show you how to brush your teeth. He already did that. I'm not gonna show you how to drink water. We did that in the other YouTube channel. It's not connected to this one yet, but it'll be soon. Let's go in the bathroom with Kevin. Okay, let's go.
Hello, viewers. How's it going?
Speak normally, please.
Fine. Look, we have a little smiley face that won't smile for the rest of his days.
Actually, his days are about to be over.
Exactly. That's why we have this.
And this black ball looks entirely like garbage. We even had to draw the face again on it.
Let the air go and let the water flow.
Oh, it's flashing on me.
That was a big one.
Okay, Kevin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside and do something.
Okay.
Aren't you surprised, Kevin? Oh, wait. Aren't you surprised, Kevin? Yeah, we're going outside to do something with this black ball.
I wonder what that is.
Okay, let's go. Guys, there's Pizza Ducks. No, just kidding. This is the place where we were when we did that video. Before they had pizza. Anyways, Kevin is going to put this black ball on this hose.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna turn it on. He's gonna turn on the hose. But he has to put this black ball on very professionally. Kevin, no. I think you should put it more deep into the nozzle.
Dave, we got a problem.
What? What is it?
This is going badly.
What is it, Kevin? It's already on?
Oh my god, this is working.
Kevin.
Should we just leave it?
No, you have to put it more deep into the hose nozzle.
It is.
No, like on this part.
Oh my god, that's too deep.
Fine, but you're gonna have to
Shout out to Dante now!
What?
What now?
Nothing.
We're recording!
Oh. Hello. My
This
name
is-
is Baymax.
No,
Shut up. Get the camera out of my face.
this is all we put the bull in Brandon. His name is Brandon. And his dog. Is she? Okay, Kevin.
Wait, you got a problem.
What?
I'm not sure how to close it.
Kevin, you have to turn on the hose better. Oh, be careful with the water.
I did not see that coming.
What?
I don't know if I got that. Okay, Brandon. He's trying to get on, so be careful. Okay, Kevin, attach the black ball to the nozzle, okay?
Someone hold the dog, please. Jesus Christ.
You're holding it. Oh my god. But Kevin, be careful you get too wet.
I don't even think it's on.
Kevin, I'm not going to have enough space. You know what? I'm going to stop here for a little. Whoa! Okay, Kevin. Look, we're trying to do an experiment here. Okay, Ken. All you have to do is attach the black ball to the nozzle properly and turn on the hose not too rough.
Not yet. It's on my face. Dude, not yet.
Look at he
Guys, feeling good?
Recording we are.
Recording right now.
Hello.
I'm just gonna explain to Kevin. Okay, there was a small problem. What are you doing? Why you kick the door like that? You're not recording again. Okay.
No hose over here. I told you.
There's a hose over there.
Over here.
Be careful with the legendary poops.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's
Okay, so
try.
my Leela dog is gonna go take a poop.
Okay, guys. Let's try not to make it. Yeah. Let's just fill up this black ball with the hose, and then we're done. That's easy.
You fill up the thing.
Okay, but you.
I'm better at recording than filling it up.
Oh, come on, Kevin.
Let me record.
Fine, but try not to mess it up, okay?
Okay.
Brandon, no. Don't turn it on
Not
yet.
yet. We need to put it on. It's
And
gonna be a bunch of mud now.
And that, kids, is how you make mud. You mix up water with dirt.
If you
Just
know that,
like
you're
that.
dumb.
Okay. Now let me attach this disgusting black ball to the hose.
Kevin, what you doing?
Wait.
Spying on Dave.
Wait.
No.
Okay. Someone hold this. Thank you, Brandon. Actually, that kind of looks like you. The green shirt. Whatever. Let's just.
Okay, hold it down like this so
Brandon,
it doesn't get everywhere. So
oh my God! I don't want to hold this anymore.
Oh my god.
And it's done.
Look at that.
Brandon, no. It's
A
not
big
done.
water balloon. We can throw it. Don't throw it.
What do we do?
God.
Dang, bro. Wait, no. We
Just,
want it to be bigger. We want
just
it to be bigger.
tip it over. It's raining.
No, we want it to be bigger, guys.
it's the size of my brain.
Oh God, no. That ain't it.
Oh my
That brain's
God.
small. You use a tiny portion of your brain.
Yeah, but that doesn't. Yeah, tiny portion of a big brain, Kevin. Oh, wait, let me.
No, it's raining.
Guys, it's gonna explode.
Oh shoot.
Guys,
No, I gotta go in the shade. No. The camera. Just fix this way. Yeah, if you could see, it's raining. May not be easy to see.
Brandon, over here. We have to record. Brandon, over here. We want to record.
God, wait! No, I can't.
Oh my God! Look at the.
Oh, the lens.
Brandon, stop it from leaking.
Oh, shoot! No!
it's leaking.
Stop it from leaking.
It's leaking.
Stop it from leaking.
Oh, I'm getting so wet.
Okay, guys. Come on over here.
Quick! No! Okay, to prove to you that's raining badly.
Hold this for me.
Look at this.
Okay, I'm done now.
Okay.
Look at our pants. Look, there's so many dots all over it.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
They're not dots. They're like polka dots.
It squashes, duck.
It's not dots. It's polka dots.
Hey, someone hold this for me.
You're doing it more.
Yeah, someone hold it
Really,
for me.
dude?
Someone hold this hose for me.
Someone hold this for me.
Someone hold this hose for me.
Lila.
Stop. This
Lila.
kids will
Lila.
so parents will let their kids.
Lila.
Just hold it.
Okay.
Okay, back over here.
Hey, but let me hold it then. Jeez. Dave, let go.
First, you have to take it. Oh.
Why don't Dave, you take this?
Okay, please be quiet, guys.
take this.
Oh, guys.
Oh.
Guys.
Shoot.
Guys.
Oh.
Put it down. Put it down.
No, we want it to be bigger.
Guys.
Close it.
It is closed.
We want it to be bigger, Brandon.
You can't make it any bigger than this, Dave.
Yes,
Oh,
I've
jeez.
tried before. You can.
Jeez.
I've done it even bigger and then put Angry Birds in there.
Woo, yeah, look at it. Woo, the frick is It looks like an egg.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay, wait, throw it.
No, Kevin.
Oh my God! Guys!
Exploding.
Wait, guys, put on the floor. Wait, Brandon, put on the floor. I have a good idea. Just put on the floor.
Okay. You said put it on the floor.
Do that again. But this time throw it like this.
Throw it, Kevin.
Oh my God, it's waiting, guys. We have to go home. Bye.
Hey, wait, Dave. Montage. Dave, it's montage time.
No, bye, guys.
It's montage time.
Okay, bye, guys. You guys are my everything. We have to go now.